Hello and welcome to your latest update from the Met Office. Very unsettled over the next 24 hours. Wet and windy up and down the country. Risk of gales for some northern and western coasts in particular. But it will be technically mild. Now, we've had some rain crossing the country on Tuesday. That's still with us on Tuesday evening across eastern Scotland, eastern England. Drier and clearer for a time. Some dense fog patches on Tuesday evening for central parts of England and Wales. They soon lift, though, because the winds start to pick up again. And we'll see the next weather system soon catch up with the first and bring more rain into western and southwestern areas by the end of Tuesday night. This is the low responsible. It's battering the Azores through Tuesday and it arrives into the UK as we begin Wednesday. No longer deepening. It's a typical autumn low. It's the low that the Portuguese called Diana, but for us, well, it's not particularly unusual. It will, though, bring an unsettled day widely. Now, we'll see swathes of cloud and outbreaks of rain across the country. Most of the rain across England and Wales tended to be light and on and off through much of the day. The winds more of the concern across some of these western areas, particularly Irish Sea coasts throughout much of the first half of Wednesday, 50 to 60 mile/hour gusts, 40 to 50 around some inland areas. And for Northern Ireland as well as much of Scotland, the patchy rainfall turns steadier and heavier. Anywhere from the Grampians and Highlands down to the southern uplands as well as Northern Ireland, seeing those outbreaks of rain. 2 inches or more across some of the highest parts of the Grampians, a yellow rain warning in force. But the strongest winds yet to come on Wednesday evening could touch 70 mile/hour for western parts of Scotland and then into the Northern Isles through the hours of darkness. And those wind gusts, of course, accompanied by rough seas and could cause travel disruption as well as disruption to bridges and ferries. So yellow warnings in force for wind. All of this wind, of course, bringing very mild air, 14 to 15, 16 degrees possible on Wednesday afternoon. And it's not going to feel very pleasant with all the unsettled weather. By the start of Thursday, we've got yet another low arriving into the southwest. A bit more uncertainty on this low pressure in terms of how much it will deepen. But it looks likely to be another very unsettled start to the day on Thursday, particularly for Wales, southwest England, northwest England, where the winds will again be reaching gale force around coastal areas. All of this accompanied by heavy rainfall as well as we wake up on Thursday, anywhere across England and Wales seeing those inclement conditions. But there is a chance that if that low deepens enough, we could see even stronger winds bringing even more disruption, yellow warnings in force. All of it sweeps through quite quickly on Thursday morning, replaced by a blustery but brighter afternoon. Frequent showers, but some sunshine in between and staying mild. More details online. We will, of course, keep you updated right here at the Met Office. There's the website address where you can find all the latest information on forecasts and weather warnings.